Money guys, work as a work ng housekeeping, change bedsheet. Trabaho. Housekeeping. Housekeeping. Ano guys, trabaho ta kay pangatay kaunon. Housekeeping. Ano guys, mao na labhonon. So I clean already. Yan, na-clean ko na siya. Yan, I clean already. Even sa refrigerator. And even sa CR. Clean, malinis na yan. So, yan. Off. So, open lang para matuyo. And then, this one. Malinis na guys. Konting kembot na lang. Hanap lang matapos. Yan. So, laba time naman.